Now we'll see how we can add a Wikipedia to our Moodle website. So this may be quite interesting for the students or those who are performing extremely well in our course. If we want to give them some additional challenges, we can create a Wikipedia and we may ask some of the best top performers to contribute to our wiki so that it will be a resource for other students too. So I'll show you how we can add a Wikipedia, and also I'll be taking the example from the basic introduction to Moodle. So there I will be showing you how some of our participants have contributed to this and how we can access different log files and all those things. So I'll be going to the site for showing how it can be added. So I am into our website. So if suppose here I want to add a Wikipedia, so I just go to so I'll show you. I'm taking the add activity or resources. So this is the common way of adding any activity into our Moodle site. And if you want to get this, we have to ensure that the turn editing on button is activated from here. So if it is activated, if this turn editing on button is activated, you will be seeing this add activity or resource. So here I am going to add a Wikipedia by selecting this add activity or resource. I just select wiki, then I am adding this. Then here you can give some name on this wiki. So I can say wiki. So I can say wiki on COVID-19, so that students can contribute something to this COVID-19. So here I can say contribute to this document on COVID-19. And here then the format, what should be the format, and you don't have to change this common module settings. And here this restrict access, this most of the activities in Moodle now we have the restrict access. Suppose we want to have this wiki in such a way that you want only those students securing a minimum score have to contribute. You don't want all the students to contribute to this wiki. Then you can add a restriction like this. Here you can say grade. Then you can choose the grade. So this can be the course total or on a particular assignment or any activity. So if I say course total must be greater than or equal to, say, if I say 60% or 70%, then only those students who got a total score more than 70% will be able to contribute to this. So we have added this, and finally we can save and return to the course. So this way you may be able to add restriction to most of the activities in Moodle. So this first image name also we have to give. So I say COVID-19. So it is a collaborative wiki. Then I say save and return to course. Now a wiki is added to our course. So not available unless, so this is a restricted one, not available unless you achieve a required score in course total. And then for having an awareness of how it will be working, I am going back to our course on basic introduction to Moodle. So I am going to basic introduction to Moodle, and there we had a wiki. And in this wiki, some of the participants have started a Wikipedia on COVID. So you can see this. And here an interesting thing is, if you go for history, then you can see how the participants have contributed to this. And if you select two of the participants, then if you say compare selected, you can see how what modifications are made. So here you can see this was the original document by on 9th of April by Dr. V. Satyasudha, and on 12th of April, Dr. Renu Samuel have modified the document like this. So this way you can see what changes are made by the participants. And then another thing is, suppose I go to this wiki, this is how I go to the activity wiki. So if I click on this, I go to this, and if I select this option, here you can have the more options on wiki, and I'm going to logs. When I go to logs, this log is now all activities, all actions. So instead of this all action, if we want to see how the changes are made, previously it was all actions. So even if wiki is viewed by some participants, it will be listed here. So if I make all changes, you can get a log book of participants who have made changes to our wiki. So if I say all changed, then if I say get these logs, now I'll be getting a log file of this wiki for the participants who have changed it. So this is how we add wiki and manage Wikipedia in our Moodle website. So hope you will be able to do this. Thank you.